Hi guys, how are you? So today we have our third video and we're going to be doing the Allure beauty box. So yes, it comes a little on the wrap with like a plastic, and this one is actually $15 a month. And I really enjoy this because it has like high-end brands. And so let's move into the opening. So if I can take this plastic off. Oh, woo! I broke out a sweat. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna open, and it says leave down for the weekend packs 10 lipsticks. I have gotten this box before. I think it's pretty funny because I do that. You have to have a lipstick for every occasion. We have this little thing that it says has exclusive promo codes. It says Allure Beauty Box right there. And then inside it gives you a sneak peek of what you are looking for, but I'm not gonna see it until later, so let's put that on the side and move into the unboxing. This is what the box looks like. And the sticker, little something outside. Whoa, this is heavy, like heavy. Whoa. I'm thinking this is a full size, but I don't know. I will look it up. And yeah, it says CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum with 15% tetrahydroxyl ascorbate and the gold standard of vitamin C. I love vitamin C. And this, look at this. This is like very heavy. It's a glass container. So I don't know if it's because it's a glass container or what, but this looks like full size. It is 1 fluid ounce. It says CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum, rich in powerful, stable vitamin C, is targeted to quickly fight the visible signs of dullness, dark spots, and discolorations at the source, while diminishing the first signs of aging. I really need it. Brightening and illuminates the skin instantly, while 15% of the tetrahydroxyl ascorbate, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, the gold standard form of vitamin C, rapidly engages the root causes of uneven tone and visible corrects the looks of skin discoloration for naturally brighter, even tone radiance. So, woo, that was a mouthful. It has, it says the directions: apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin, morning and night. So I'm gonna be using this, and yes, I will let you know what I think about it. Do you guys know that if this box is actually curated by somebody specific? Because last time I know there was Jacqueline Hill, but not this one. I don't know. Let's see the next thing. So this one is The One by Frederick Fekkai. One and Then Some Dry Texturizing Spray. What is this for? Exclusive marine complex lightweight for all hair types. So shake it up, holding the bottle 6 to 10, an ultimate volume, flip hair, ultimate down, and spray. So maybe to give you volume, this is a sample size, very light. It feels like it doesn't have anything inside, but I'm sure it has. It has 15 milliliters. It sounds empty. The next thing, and this always makes me feel like it's a red lipstick because it has a red on the bottom, but I know it's their brand. So this is Makeup Forever Professional Paris Artist Rouge à Lèvres Liquid Color. So this one is Artist Liquid Matte, and it doesn't say the number. It says only 105 right there. And let's open it. Figure out what color is this. It's different. Look at that color. Looks like on the purple side. Let's see. Smells good. Right there. How do you guys think that this is gonna look on my skin? Hopefully I don't look like a Walking Dead kind of person. Zombie right there. Let's try it. I'm gonna use it. At least I know I have no shade like this at all. So let's put this on the side and get the next product. Let's see, the next one, it kind of like feels heavy as well. It's Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in one. How can it be a mask and a primer and a moisturizer? Well, I guess primer and moisturizer go together, but what about the mask? And this is the brand This Works. And says 24-hour skin solutions. And it says apply to skin and massage until absorb. Caution, for adults only. Obviously, I'm not gonna put it on the dog or on my baby. Although I do put lipstick on her lips. Not the dog. Although I wish I could, but that will be animal cruelty. So here we have the last product and is Radial. And this one, it seems like, yeah, it says Smoky Eye Pen. And it's in the shade of brown. And I was actually mentioning this before that we usually get the black. So I am very happy that we got a brown. I have gotten browns before, so I'm not gonna open this one specific just in case I either use it for a giveaway or use it after the brown that I have opened goes away, which I barely have any browns. I do have a lot of black, so keep on watching. And that's it. I hate when boxes are done and then there's nothing else to unbox. Oh well, we have another box. Now we're gonna go back into the little magazine. And this is To New Beginnings, of course, because we're in January. And it's back with products for welcoming the new year. And what would 2018 be without sexy and smoky eyes? Clearly, the rhetorical question. It would be terrible, just terrible. That's what it says. So without further ado, meet the L'Oreal Smoky Eye Pen and my easy 2-second routine for using it to create the sultriest eye. So I'm not gonna keep on reading everything because there's a lot of text. So I'm gonna brush into the most important parts and we're going to see about this because I don't think it's a full size, but the full size of this is $85. This looks very expensive, I knew that, but the first time I tried vitamin C was decade and change ago. Sorry about that. It just started as an assistant at Allure and I was willing to test any product in the beauty closet. I was a kid in a candy store, emphasis a kid. I had no dark under eye circle or post-pregnancy dark spot. I didn't need such a serious skincare product. You see, vitamin C is not a joke when it's well formulated. It's actually true because I have a lot of other vitamin C's know about that this, you know, like the vitamin C, if it's watery, if it changes, or if actually you leave it open, you change consistencies and then it doesn't really work. So yeah, so this one is $85. So you guys can see all that there. And let's move into the next product. So This Works in Transit Camera Close-Up is this one, which is 15 milliliters, but the actual full size, which is 40 milliliters, is $55. So they're giving you a reasonable amount to try, which I like. And sorry I'm changing positions, but this little baby doesn't want to go to sleep in another position. She's like, Mommy, stop moving. Love you. Okay. Obi, don't get jealous. Obi's the other dog. It's my dog. Obi. Obi. Minnie. Minnie. He's fast asleep. And he's making a face like, why are you bothering me? and I want you to guys to see him because and he's being handed out to me. And look at this cutie. Can you believe he's like the best cutie in the whole wide world? Yes, he's a cuddle buddy. Yes, you are. He's a good boy. Yes, yes. You wouldn't think the same if you saw another boy or another dog in the street or a girl running around. He will be barking his head off. He's like, rah, 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 and japs everywhere. So I'll let you go back to sleep, okay? Okay. You can sleep on top of your sister. There. And so we move forward to the next product. And this work in transit camera close-up. Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and thought, how did I get so tired, hungover, old? Yeah, I feel about the old. Not hungover, maybe tired, yes. I've been there plenty of time, or recently in the airplane bathroom where I was frantically trying to make myself decent so that I could go straight to the airport to give a presentation. And then this one, I guess she likes it because it's a hybrid and very least cut down on the amount of time that I was spending on the bathroom. It contains skin plumpers, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and tightener, which is caffeine. The balm-like texture feels like sticky at first but quickly melts into skin. So let's see it. Actually curious. Hopefully it has a seal. Why did they do this to me? This one I actually want to like feel the texture. So I opened it. Oh well. I have so many primers open right now, but whatever. So let's see. Yes, it actually feels like that. It smells so good. It smells like flowers. Yeah. So like many primer, it creates a smooth canvas for foundation, but it also gives your cheeks a pretty radiance. Took down my under eye bags and made a hopeless situation look not so bad at all. So we either got in this box, your box contains this work in transit camera close-up, Smack Photo Finish Foundation Primer, which I have gotten a lot, like a million of that foundation. Milani Make It Dewy, Red Flower Location, or well, there's different variations for this box, I guess. The next one, the next product is the one by Frederick Fekkai. Yeah, Fekkai. Hopefully that's the way that you pronounce your name. I don't want to be putting you to shame here. And this one says the one by Frederick Fekkai one, and then some dry texturing spray. This one, it should be $29, and there's also a variation for this one, which is weird. So, but that's it. So this one is I want to smell it because it says that it has a very nice scent. So it makes your hair coarse, more like big, I guess. That's another word for big. And then the last two products are on the last page. And we have this one, Makeup Forever, the matte. And it's the full size is $20. And you have a code, a promo code that if you want to check it out is Allure 2018 at checkout for free shipping until February 28th. And then the last thing, which is this, and it seems like a full size, I want to say. It's $21. So this is already, but that seems like a full size, and it's $21. That makes up for the $15 that the box is. And it's cool, it's creamy, it's sharpenable. This pencil is everything I love and nothing I hate. The point delivers a rich brown or black color that stays crisp. You will desire a clean line, but it also smudges easily, feeling a still rocking last night's makeup vibe. I suggest going over the line 3 times before smudging it with a cotton swab for making maximum sexiness. So there's a promo code, it's Allure20 at checkout for 20% off the full price items. Cannot be combined with any other promotion and is valid through July 2nd, 2018. There's also a variation for this product, and tell me which ones did you get and if you actually like it or you like better the ones that I got, and I will be interested in how the other ones look. It says that the box either contains the pen in black or brown, beauty for real 24/7, or eyeliner in whiskey. Then there's also lashes mascara or pop beauty cacao pen in inky purple. So yeah, I mean, I like the brown, but I wouldn't have minded that pop beauty cacao pen in inky purple. I like purple. But let me know what you got, and I hope you have a beautiful night. If you haven't already done so, please go subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.